Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can just double and return the value of a function in Python with Decorator. Okay, so this is just an example on Decorator. What we are going to do basically, we are going to just create a function. We need to just double the function's value, whatever it's returning to us, right? So let's just create a Decorator here. So this Decorator will take a function parameter as input. I'm going to just create out a wrapper function here just to provide the extra functionalities here. I'm going to take a argument here and position like keyword argument here. So it is basically going to just store the answer within my result variable by just calling the function, and I'll just pass my arguments in the functions. And here I am just simply going to return my result, which is going to be double, right? So I'll just multiply it with 2 to make it double. I'll just simply try to return my wrapper, else I'm just trying to define my original function. Let me just, let's say I'm having a function with the name as getNum, which is simply going to return 5. I want to just make the double of 5 simply. That's all. So I'll just take the help of print statement so that I can just get my return value of getNum function. That's all. What I did, I've created out a getNum function to which I just want to return out the value 5. But the thing is that I want to make it double by the help of decorator. So that's why I'm like going out within the print statement to get the return value. We have created out a decorator successfully. We have passed out the function. Just to decorate the things, we have created out a wrapper function. We have passed out the arguments here successfully. So this arguments, this we have created out a variable here, a result, and this result is being passed a function which is nothing but getNum function with func. Okay, similar arguments we have passed out. We'll just get 5 value with this line, and with 5 is going to be stored out within result, and result is going to be doubled multiplied by 2, and you can see here that we received out 10 here. Right, this is how things are working with decorator. I hope you guys understood the concept, and in case if you have any questions you can let me know. Thank you so much.